I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you. And please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question 17, just before the gap we've got an adverb, just after the gap we've got a noun. Everything indicates that this is going to be an adjective. What is the adjective that we need? Is it going to be possible or is it going to be impossible? Well, given the context that we're presented with, clearly we need the negative form of the adjective, so here the answer is impossible. For question number 18, the wider context suggests that these are people who are participating in the mind sport of memory, which means that the noun that we choose here has got to be 1, plural, but 2, personal. So what's the answer that we need here? Competitors. For question 19, after the gap we've got a noun, before the gap we've got an adverb or a quantifier, adverb quantifier, exactly the same pattern as question number 17. So we need an adjective here. What's the adjective that we need here? Is it unsuccessful or successful? No, I'm just playing with you. We just need successful. It's clearly the positive form of the adjective. For question 20, if we have a look at the language pattern, it says, would claim to be gap gifted. Gifted is an adjective, and what modifies adjectives? Of course, adverbs do. So here we need an adverb. And if we have a look at the stem verb, we can see that the stem word is special. So from special, we can form two different adverbs. Both are absolutely fine, which can modify gifted. So you can say especially gifted, or you can say specially gifted. Either one is absolutely fine. If you want to work out what the difference is between especially and specially, you'll find that this is a hotly debated topic on the internet and in grammar books, and I would encourage you to look it up, find out what the subtle difference is, and to learn from that. For question 21, we've got a noun after the gap, and before the gap we've got remembering some type of images. In other words, we need an adjective to modify images. What's the adjective that we need? Visual. It's important to have a good what? Well, clearly we need a noun here. A good imagination. For question 23, let's have a look at the language pattern here. Training your brain in this way can be very what? Of course we need an adjective here, and the adjective that we need is helpful. Can be very helpful. For question 24, we've got an article before the gap, we've got the noun to which the article refers after the gap. Clearly we need an adjective here. What's the adjective that we need? Effective.